Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to cancel Grok AI subscription. So this video is a complete guide to canceling your X Premium subscription that includes Grok AI access. So first is go to subscription management. So just open the X or the Twitter and navigate to your subscription management page. And then in here, you can find this at premium.twitter.com or through the X application settings. So your current Grok AI subscription status and billing details will be displayed in here. Next is find your active subscription. So in the settings, go to subscriptions access, and then you will see your active Premium Plus or Premium plan with a manage subscription button. So you just have to click on it to access cancellation options. Next is confirm the cancellation. Now, a confirmation dialog will appear asking your reason for canceling with options like too expensive or not using enough. So you just have to select a reason and click on the cancel subscription to proceed. Next is review the benefits that you will lose. So X will show you a summary of benefits that you will lose, including Grok AA access, blue check mark, and other premium features. So you just have to review this carefully and then confirm your cancellation. Lastly is receive cancellation confirmation. So you will receive an email confirmation with your cancellation receipt, billing summary, and the date of your access. When will it end? And you just have to keep this for your records. So you can also resubscribe at any time if you change your mind. There is no penalty for returning. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!